Hello students, today I am going to explain Dust of Snow, a beautiful poem written by Robert Frost. So basically, it's a short, beautiful and a motivating poem that tells us how our perception changes everything, how even a small moment has a great impact on all of us. The poet also talks about the importance of small things which are present in nature and how these small things can change our mindset, and also these small things can change our mood. So basically, all these things motivate us to do our work without cribbing, right? So let's begin. First stanza: the way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Second stanza: has given my heart a change of mood and saved some part of a day I had ruled. So it's a very simple poem and only two stanzas are there. So let's begin. Here in this poem, the poet presents a simple moment, but it has a larger significance. The poet is saying that he is in a sorrowful mood. He is in a pensive mood. He is in utter despair and he is sitting under a hemlock tree, right? So hemlock tree is a poisonous plant or tree with small white flowers, right? So there, when he is sitting under this hemlock tree, a crow is also sitting on the same tree under which the poet is sitting in a sorrowful mood. But suddenly, what happened? The crow suddenly shakes down the dust of snow. It means it shakes down the particle of snow, and a small particle of snow falls on the poet, right? So the moment the snow falls on the poet, his heart changes. It means the cold, soft and cold touch of the snow changes the poet's mood. And from being sad and sorrowful, he becomes very, very happy or cheerful, right? So he starts feeling refreshed. So this simple act of snow falling on the poet awakens him from his melancholy state, and he starts noticing all the beautiful activities going on. In this way, a simple moment proves to be very, very significant and saves the poet's rest of the day from being wasted, right? So this nature uplifts the poet's mood and makes him realize that he would have wasted his precious time by being in sorrow, by being regretful. So after this beautiful incident, the poet decides to utilize his time in doing some useful and constructive work. So that's the explanation from my side. Thank you so much. Hello students, today I'm going to explain three important symbols that Robert Frost has used in this poem, Dust of Snow. So the first symbol is crow, right? So the first symbol is crow. Second symbol is hemlock tree. And the third symbol is snow, right? So these are the three significant symbols that poet has used to convey the message of the poem. So hemlock tree and crow, these are the two unconventional symbols that he has used. Basically, crow is synonymous with sorrow. And here in this poem, it signifies the poet's sorrowful mood, his pensive mood. Hemlock tree, on the other hand, is a poisonous tree, and this tree too has a negative connotation. So here, the poet has used the dark, depressive, and bitter side of nature to present his own mood. So in the beginning, the poet was very sad, right? He was very sad, he was very depressed, right? But the poet has also used snow. And what does snow stand for? Snow stands for joy. It stands for purity. It also stands for happiness that the poet experiences later. So the poet has used crow and hemlock tree, which stand for sorrow and despair, in order to contrast them with snow, right? Just to contrast both these symbols with snow, he has used all these symbols together. So snow here stands for positivity and joy. So basically, snow signifies the elation or the happiness that the poet experiences after being touched by. Thank you. Students, we have already completed Dusk of Snow. So today we will discuss the message of the poem, right? So what is the message of the poem? The poet conveys the message that nature is a great savior, right? Nature is a great savior and it has a great healing power. And everything depends on our perspective. Everything depends on our attitude, our thought process, right? How we see life, how observant we are. So, if we have a positive attitude towards every piece of life on earth, if we listen to the nature's whisper, then we will always feel happy, uplifted, and elevated. Thank you so much.